Hello guys, and today what we will do is get the installation and run our first Nestjs project. So what the packages we require in order to run the project. So what we will do is create a folder, any kind of folder. So I'll just say Nestjs tuts and open that folder using Visual Studio Code. So you could use git bash and then say code dot, right, or you could use any editor that you like. In my case I like this one, right? So now I trust the authors, and let me open this. Now what we will do is go to the terminal. So open the terminal. In here you could use the bash terminal. So what we will do is install a package. We just need one package and one package only in order for us to run the Nestjs project. So we'll say npm I, so install, and then global, and you mention nestjs CLI. That will be it. It may take some time for you. I have already installed it prior, and yeah. Okay, now installation is complete. Now what's next step is, so we don't need anything else. So now let's create a template. So we don't start with a folder like Nest Express where we start everything, but here we'll use the command line for the Nestjs. So what you do is go nest and then mention the version. So nest dash version, and you will check if the command works for you, then you will be able to see the version of your Nestjs. And I'm curious why it's taking so long for me. So any version, any type of version, doesn't matter which version it will be. For my case it will be 8.1.1. so yeah. So now we will create our initial project. So we'll say nest new, and then you call, for example, API whatever. So the first command is nest, went for the CLI for the nest. New means okay, you want to create something new, and the later part would be the project that you want to create for. Could be API server, whatever, right? So let's say nest new API, and now it will ask you several questions. What it does, it's asking for us, hey, PNP. Now it's supporting that. Oh, okay. We will choose npm. So those are 3 package managers. So we'll use npm. So we'll install that, and now it installs all the packages required for the Nestjs itself, the Nestjs project. And yeah, it may take some time. Okay, I was checking out pnpm, which is nice, quite nice, that package manager. So let's move on. So we'll have our API folder. It has some configuration, lots of configuration files, and we don't care about it. We just ignore it at the moment. So let's go to cd API. So let's open that, and now to test out if the Nestjs is running, what you have to do is, you could check in package.json. So you'll see there are several commands. So what we'll use is npm start. So I'll say npm start, use that command. Now what it will do is it will run on localhost 3000. So let's wait for a bit. It may take some time for initial project. Okay. Close. Yes. Now if it says Nestjs application successfully started, that means the project is running. So we will open our browser. We'll mention localhost 3000 and slash. Now you could see hello world. Okay, that's about it. So in the next section we will talk about the introduction about Nestjs, right? We will cover the whole structure of this project. Take care.